Welcome to Cardinal Home Care, your trusted partner for home care in Fairfax, Virginia. Our dedicated team provides exceptional in-home care in Fairfax, tailored to meet the unique needs of our clients. Specializing in senior home care in Fairfax, we ensure that your loved ones receive the highest quality of care in the comfort of their own homes. For families affected by Alzheimer's disease, our compassionate caregivers offer specialized Alzheimer's disease care in Fairfax, delivering the support and attention needed for those with memory challenges. We also provide comprehensive 24-hour home care in Fairfax, ensuring continuous round-the-clock assistance for those who need it. At Cardinal Home Care, we understand the importance of companionship. Our companion care at home in Fairfax focuses on fostering meaningful relationships and emotional support. Whether it's personal home care in Fairfax, helping with daily activities, or post-hospital care at home in Fairfax, assisting with recovery and rehabilitation, we are here to help. Choose Cardinal Home Care for reliable, personalized, and compassionate home care services in Fairfax, Virginia. Because at Cardinal Home Care, we treat your family like our own. Reach out today.